you were asking for more family ideas or to show what I do with my family or fall inspired family activities. Today will be one of those activities that I love to do during the fall, is have family fall or autumn breakfasts or brunches. In my last video, my Trader Joe's haul, I bought some pumpkin waffle mix, and so I thought that would be fun to go ahead and make some pumpkin pancakes this morning. Today's Thursday and I usually go shopping and get things on Friday. So I'm low on some of my groceries and it's the beginning of the month, so I always head out and do my shopping trips around this time anyways. But even if I have a little bit of coffee, we'll have to make it work. Okay, so I'm gonna go start making the brunch and let's go. I've really been enjoying drinking this lately, especially for fall. So this is what I decided to make this morning, and I just had to warm up some water on the tea kettle and I put it in a teapot, so there's enough for my husband and I. And since I'm low on coffee, this is what we'll be having with our pumpkin pancakes. I got the pancakes done in here. I got the syrup warmed up. I found my old butter dish that I love to use during the fall with a little hen. Put that in there. And now I'm going to cook the eggs. So today I'll be decorating my house for fall, and I haven't done that yet. I'm a little behind because I've been doing my other projects that I've been out of the house and then with my teeth and everything. So this was my leftover from September. We're still eating the apples. I brought a few things out for the table that I have to put together. I still have to change out everything. I have my computer here in the kitchen because this is the best place I have right now to be able to edit and to do everything, since my husband now took over the home office because he's home working. So we've had to change and modify a few things, but hopefully I'll be able to get decorating and finish that this weekend. Thank you for joining me in today's video. video. I hope it inspired you in some way to bring fall into your home and for your family. This video is also part of my fall inspired series that I have been making for all of you. I have more videos in this series, and I will put a link up here so you can go ahead and see those videos and catch up on any ones that you may have missed. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this and more, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.